were looking for deals everywhere within DFW. The market was super hot, as most of you know. Dallas has been on fire for years now. We couldn't get any deals to pencil. So that's when we started kind of saying, okay, what if we go a little bit further out? What if we do like a 4-hour radius around Dallas? We were still thinking kind of small, like what if we need to get into our car and go, right? Like if we need to get over there quick, so like a 4-hour drive, that radius. And then we started looking at, okay, what markets within that radius are showing growth, job-wise, population-wise. We don't want to be in anything under 100,000 population-wise. Once it gets to that point, it's somewhat stabilized, and a lot of these smaller markets can kind of disappear. And then that led us to our first deal in Temple, Texas. That market had a lot more room for growth. The pricing was a lot less. Then we found one in Oklahoma, in Lawton, Oklahoma, which is a pretty small market. It's like 100,000 exactly. There wasn't a lot of growth there, but there is an Army base, which showed a lot of stability. And I'm not necessarily saying that you should go to a market that's saturated on just one thing like a student or Army. We felt comfortable with it. The price was really, really low where we came in at basis.